manager, I feel as though I want to empower my people, and the way that I do that is through direct mentorship. So that way my guys can take ownership on a day-to-day basis. I can't be everywhere at all times, so I've got to make sure that I've got a very strong team that's leading towards the right direction. We didn't want to live in the snow anymore. So that was a big sway. But honestly, throughout the interview process, I just felt excited, right, about the new opportunities, the expansion. I haven't met anybody yet that didn't make me feel as though I'm already part of the family as early on as I am. Even through the interview process, I could definitely tell that there was a lot of excitement just on the day-to-day basis. So I know family gets used a lot. I'm excited to be a part of that family and continue to grow within that family.